My name is Christine Ridenauer. I'm a realtor with RE/MAX Associates in Louisville, Kentucky. I love helping people navigate through the process of buying and selling a home. I take my clients' business personally, and I love my job. If you're thinking about making a move and you're curious about your home's value, I'd be happy to do a market analysis for you, free of charge and no obligation on your part. This will give you some detailed information to help you make the best decision for you and your family. If you're a buyer searching for a home in the Louisville area, please visit my website. It's ChristineRidenauer.com. Feel free to call me anytime with any of your real estate questions. My cell number is 502-418-8567, 502-418-8567. Thanks for visiting. I appreciate your time. And if you're thinking about making a move, remember, calling me is your first move.